We're going to be installing a under sink water filter for our kitchen, and so we're going to be walking through it. It's pretty straightforward. You've got an inlet and outlet, and you've got two screws on the back here for where you're going to basically put in these screws to hold this thing up. These people are kind enough to include a template thing, so you have to make sure you've got at least 4 inches from the bottom of your cabinets that you can change out the filter when the time comes. And then they also tell you where to put the screws. So basically you just stick this up here, and I'm going to be drilling 2 pilot holes, giving myself at least 4 inches of space. And you want to give yourself enough room on the side so you're not going to kink your hoses. So I'm going to do that, and then I've turned off my cold water supply. You only hook this up to your cold water supply. Do not run hot water through it. Then we'll basically hook our outlet from our filter onto our inlet for our faucet. And then the inlet to the filter is going to go directly onto this water shutoff valve here. So I'll show you guys what this looks like, and stay tuned. I taped the template onto here just so I can't mess it up. Got my 2 screws in now, and now I'm going to take a crescent wrench and undo my line right here, my hose, and then I'm going to have a bucket underneath this thing just to catch any water that comes out. It's gonna be a little bit, make sure that's off, and then I'll mount this thing, and then we should be good to go. Got my inlet installed now onto the water filter. This is my outlet. This is the inlet to my faucet, and I've wrapped this with the PTFE tape that they included. And yeah, you want to give that a good couple wraps. Same thing right there around that connection, and then I'm just gonna tighten this thing up. Okay, so we got that line hooked up, and I'm gonna turn on my water pressure now. So checking for leaks around here, around there, and around here. And what you can do is you can take a dry paper towel and just stick it underneath this area, and it'll tell you if anything's dripping. Right now looks good. And then we go up, and I've set this to the cold setting, which is all the way in like that. And but there you go. So we are supposedly filtering our stuff now. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and take it easy.